Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make homemade mayonnaise. Yes, for your salad, for your bread, and anything that works well with you. So guys, if you want to know how I came up with this homemade mayonnaise, continue watching as I share with you guys. So guys, the first ingredient I'll be using for this homemade mayonnaise is lime. Yes, so this is the species of lime I have. You could get the bigger ones, so this was the species I was able to get, so I'm cutting it into two. And I'll be squeezing out the juice. So I'm done with the lime water or the lime juice. So this is lemon. I will also be cutting it into two, and we'll be getting the juice out. So this is the species of lemon I have. Lemon is lemon, depending on the kind of species you got. Alright guys, they do the same job. It's lemon, it's lime. So we'll be squeezing in the juice into the lime juice. So I'm done with squeezing out the lemon juice. So I'll be taking out the seeds. Alright, the next step is to break in the eggs into a bowl. So this is the second egg I'm breaking in. This is the third egg. So what I need from this egg is just the yolk. We don't need the egg whites, so I've added the yolk only to this mixture. The other two eggs I've already broken and I'm whisking. So the next step is to pour in the mixed or whisk egg into a blender. Then I'm adding 250 ml vegetable oil first. Here is quarter teaspoon salt. Here is the combination of lime juice and lemon juice. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon, and we'll be blending this. All right, let's go. So this is it guys, I'm blending everything together. So I'm adding another 60 ml of vegetable oil to this. The more you add vegetable oil, the more it thickens. So I've added additional 60 ml plus 250 ml of vegetable oil. So I'm done with this. So this is a homemade mayonnaise. Isn't this easy to make? this is a homemade mayonnaise, guys. You can use it for your coleslaw, bread. So guys, this is it. Make sure you try it out. It's just as simple as you have your homemade mayonnaise. Guys, this is it. Yes, ready. Oh. So guys, this is it. Store in a refrigerator. Yes, you're going to be storing this in a refrigerator. It could last up to 1 to 2 weeks when stored in the refrigerator. Alright guys, so this is an empty Bama container I have. So I'll be pouring this into this container, into this clean container, and I'll be storing it in my refrigerator and enjoy. So guys, this is it. Hope you love and enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to please like this video, share this video, and if you've not subscribed, I beg you in the name of God, make sure you subscribe. See you in my next one and have a fabulous day. Bye bye.